Kingshot tips and tricks, beginner to pro tutorial. Now, pretty much here's a complete tips and trick guide for beginners looking to become pros, which is covering pretty much strategy, combat upgrades, power progression for the recent current version of the game. Now, for the first main thing that you would need to do is to pretty much prioritize your command center. Upgrading your base wisely means you were able to unlock all other building upgrades. So you're gonna have to focus on barracks, which is training your troops, your academy that research power, and the warehouse that protects resources from raids. There's also the option for you to go ahead and train a balanced army. So don't just spam one single troop. You can go ahead and choose infantries, archers, and cavalries and upgrade your barracks higher to unlock higher tier units. So train constantly, idle barracks, which pretty much means a waste of time. So if you have any idle training sections over there, make sure that's always in use. You can also go ahead and be smart with your research. So with smart research, that means smarter power. So for the economy, for faster building and troop training, you have the military for combat boosts and the defense that improves wall and trap strength. You can also go ahead and upgrade your heroes, assign heroes to combat, which boosts attack and defense, the city, which enhances training, gathering, or construction. You can always go ahead and try using hero XP items and gear to level them up to make them somewhat stronger. You can also make sure to attack smartly, so always scout before attacking other players to assure your victory. Park targets weaker than you or with lower power to assure a higher chance of victory. You can also attack resource nodes and inactive bases for free loot that will help you progress in the game much more faster. And one of the more important things to do once you're playing this game is to join an alliance. There are a lot of benefits you can get from joining an alliance and barely any cons at all if you do so. So rally bosses together for resources, hero shards, speed ups, and gear, and you can donate daily to the alliance tech for long-term buffs, especially if you're planning on staying there for quite a long time. But anyways, for the daily routine checklist as well, you can collect free resources, train troops, smart building research, attack resource nodes, use stamina before it caps, and check events for rewards. So other than that, you can use shield before you go ahead and leave the game to prevent surprise raids. You can set traps, so leave bait troops and ambush enemies. Use events to maximize power and get elite rewards. And you can check a world chat often filled with tips and alliance invites if that's what you're currently looking for. Hopefully this video can help you make you a bit progressive inside Kingshot, and if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.